Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've been struggling with a slow and sluggish PC, you are in the right place. Today, we're going to deep dive into the ultimate guide on how to fix a slow PC and make it run faster than ever before. The first step in reviving a slow PC is identifying the culprits that are dragging it down. We'll explore two main areas: hardware and software. So first of all, check for hardware issues like insufficient RAM, a cluttered hard drive, or an outdated processor. On the software side, look out for unnecessary startup programs, malware infections, or outdated drivers. In the next section, we're going to talk about cleaning up your hard drive. So a cluttered hard drive can significantly slow down your PC. It's time to declutter and free up some valuable space in your hard drive. Start by uninstalling unnecessary programs and deleting files that you no longer need. Consider using a reputable disk cleanup tool to remove temporary files, cache, and other junk that accumulates over time. And also, don't forget to empty your recycle bin. That can also cause slowness in your computer. Sometimes a sluggish PC needs a hardware boost. Upgrading components like RAM or adding a solid state drive can work wonders for your computer speed. Increasing your RAM allows for a smoother multitasking, while an SSD can significantly reduce boot up times and file access speeds. Check your PC's specifications and consult with a professional to determine the best upgrades for your system. A PC that takes ages to boot up is frustrating, so take control of your startup program. Open your task manager, which you can do by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape, and navigate to the startup tab. Disable unnecessary programs that launch at startup and only keep the essentials that you actually want to keep there. Be cautious not to disable critical system processes or antivirus softwares that can be problematic. In the next section, we're going to talk about running an antivirus and malware scans, because malware and viruses can wreak havoc on your PC's performance. Ensure that you have reliable antivirus software installed and it is up to date. Run a thorough scan to detect and remove any malicious programs or files. Consider using reputable anti-malware software for an additional layer of protection. Keep your defense strong and keep your PC secure. It is extremely important. Next is updating drivers and softwares, because outdated drivers and softwares can lead to compatibility issues and performance bottlenecks. Keep your PC up to date by regularly checking for driver updates from your hardware manufacturer's website. Also, ensure that your operating system and software applications are running the latest versions. Updates often bring performance improvements and bug fixes, so make sure that you always keep your system up to date. Power settings can impact your PC's performance. Go to Control Panel or Settings and access the power options. Select the high performance option to maximize your PC's speed. Keep in mind that this may slightly increase power consumption, so consider your energy needs as well when you're doing so, but by doing so, you can definitely increase some speed in your computer. If you're using a traditional hard drive, defragmenting it can help improve performance as well. Open Disk Defragmenter tool. Search for it in the Start menu and analyze your drives. If fragmentation is detected, run the defragmentation process. This is going to optimize file placement on your hard drive, resulting in faster access times and a better speed. Next, we're going to talk about reinstalling or refreshing your operating system. If everything else that I mentioned earlier fails, a clean installation or system refresh can work wonders. Back up your important files and consider reinstalling your operating system to start with a clean slate. Alternatively, many operating systems offer a refresh or reset option that reinstalls the operating system while keeping your personal files intact. This can resolve software-related performance issues that can slow down your PC. You've now learned how to fix a slow PC and give it a significant speed boost. By identifying the culprits, cleaning up your hard drive, optimizing startup programs, upgrading hardware, and keeping your software up to date, you'll enjoy a faster, more responsive computer. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to a speedy PC experience. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be struggling with a slow PC as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy computing. I'll see you again.